It's time for another Tutorial Tuesday. Today I'll be going over another common scam that you may have run into, tech support scams. These scammers will reach out to you via phone, email, or even text and say they are from a tech company. These imposters will try and convince you that they found an issue and may even ask for remote access to your computer. Take a look at this short sponsored video from the American Bankers Association for more information.
Scammers often target your technology, saying something is wrong with your computer and claiming they can fix it. You may receive an unsolicited call, email, text, or pop-up message claiming to be from a tech company. These imposters want access to your computer to get to your personal information and money. It's okay to hang up on scammers and delete suspicious messages. Never click on pop-up warnings or call unverified phone numbers. Never share your financial account information or passwords with anyone who contacts you unsolicited. And don't give remote access to your computer unless you initiated contact with a legitimate company. That's like giving your house keys to a stranger. If you believe you've been scammed, change your passwords immediately and ask someone you trust for help. Tell your bank and law enforcement and report it to the FTC.
Never give anyone your personal information, and if you believe you have fallen for a scam, change all your passwords immediately. If you would like to learn more about scams and tips on how to stay safe from cyber attacks, go to our blogs page or to the American Bankers Association website at www.aba.com for more tips and resources. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next week.